Welcome to the shack of N6TLU. In this video I'll be testing two vintage ham transmitters. Modes are CW and AM with screen modulation. Both have similar power output levels. We're going to start with a Johnson Challenger, a recent repair, and then I'm going to move to a Heathkit DX-60B. The DX60 has never been on the air. I purchased it unfinished. We're going to monitor on a national NC173 receiver, first on AM, and then we're going to listen to the CW note. The transmitters are feeding a Palstar dummy load watt meter. So let's see which transmitter performs the best. Okay, we're going to start our test with the Johnson Challenger in AM mode. I have another camera set up so you can see the front panel of the radio. We are on the 40 meter band. This transmitter has the D-lab push-to-talk module installed, so I can actually key it with the microphone. So there is our plate current. We're only putting out about 20 watts, screen modulated. Okay, so I can dip the plate. And now let's listen to it on the 173.
Hello. Of course, we've got to deal with feedback here, but hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. This is N6TLU testing the Johnson Challenger transmitter, screen modulation. So the Challenger does not have a microphone gain. You get what you get on this transmitter. But she sounds pretty good. Alright, let's check the CW mode.
Alright, I've switched the Challenger over to CW mode. We have a straight key installed. Let's see what she sounds like. I can adjust the frequency. So she's keying up around 50 watts of power, which is about the same as the DX60. So let's get that transmitter hooked up. Alright, here we go. Now we're going to test the DX60B transmitter. Once again, screen modulated. We're going to have approximately 15 to 20 watts of AM monitoring on the national 173.
Hello. Hello, 1, 2. Gotta watch that feedback. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, N6TLU. She sounds pretty good, crystal clear. Lots of modulation showing up on that plate meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, test.
Good sounding transmitter. Alright, here is the DX60 CW mode. And I'm seeing about 60 watts on the Palstar. So which transmitter do you like best?